Alright guys, hello and good morning. 7:56. It's already the 23rd of January as well. So, the update, and here it is. So I did get into Hawkstone and INF. Low priced, they have been moving. But, the positions that I took were quite small. So I'm looking for trend continuation here just with the added demand for, lithium, for, EV cars, essentially, is the play. There was chatter Elon Musk might be getting involved with Hawkstone, so we'll see. Again, very low price though, so, I'll give this a little bit of room to breathe in regards to a stop loss and things like that, as well as INF as well. So INF was, pretty flat as well. The entry was actually 23.2 cents. It's unfortunate. And then 3 cents on Hawkstone. FMG, they came out with a half-yearly report, and there was another, like a media release from Andrew Forrest about a lecture that he gave, and they were selling there, but it has run up pretty nicely recently. And Bendigo got close to $10 early in the week, but definitely did not get over 10, and it's sort of cooling back down again. But this is more a recovery play. I see, banks strengthening. The dividend yield from Bendigo is quite good as well. So the entry was a little late at $8. I think it dipped and then bounced quite strongly. I got in on that, but it never really pulled back. There's a pullback happening right now, but from 8 to like 9.50 or whatever, it was pretty decent. So now I will contemplate adding into FMG. To be honest, there's discussions about green hydrogen and things like that, and so we'll see what happens with this stock. Now would probably be the time, on Monday. But I'd love to see it get down to like 23.70. Some strong support down there. I'll bring this chart up as well. I think I'm just going to have to break up the videos because I've got the US portfolio, I've got the Aussie portfolio, and I get talking and it's sort of... I don't like the videos being too long because I understand people are busy lives and they don't want to hear excessive triple, but yeah, 23.71. So volume ramped up a little bit as well. As you can see, average volume sits a little bit higher on the Friday session yesterday as well. There might be time to go through the US stocks as well. I've only been going 3 minutes. So here it is. So I've got quite a little bit more in the US stocks than I do for the Aussie market. So we've got, Northern Dentist is called again. So we've got Tattooed Chef, which is like a Beyond Meat competitor. Obviously lower price than that and earlier stages. But Tattooed Chef, Apple, Square, GNOG. Originally was LCA, but the merger has taken place now, so that wasn't too bad. PBW, which is a clean energy ETF. TAN is the solar one. Adobe, Tesla. Adobe has moved lower for a little while now. I got it at $500 a share, thereabouts. Maybe even it's not in here. And then I got into a couple more. I got into ARKG and I got into ARKK, which are ARK Invest ETFs. Those longer term holds. Or until the music stops with the US markets because it continues to just sort of rally, which is just crazy. So everything over the past 5 days has been pretty green. BFT, not so much. TAN, NGA, where are here we go. So ARKK up a little, ARKG up a little bit. So ARKG is Genomic Revolution ETF, and then Innovations ARKK. So a small change in that. And a viewer did identify my numbers of accounts and stuff are up there, so I will blur that out because for security. I did realize that I just couldn't be bothered doing it, and I'm sure if someone wanted to hack the account, they could hack the account. To be honest, but I do appreciate people identifying that. I did know, and I just didn't care. So, to be honest, but anyway, so I won't get ugly and just start ranting. And the reality, the government can do whatever they want to do. So let's just be real about that. Now, BNGO, son of a gun, god damn it! I was talking about this with a friend of mine when it was early stages. Our concern, though, was we didn't really understand it. But to be fair, man, look at that thing. I think he got back in too. Look, congrats to the holders. It's way too extended right now, so I'm just going to leave that be. But this is something. Look, most of my focus is the US markets, but I like the Australian stuff is fine as well. But I think Tom Nash did a good piece on this on YouTube in regards to the fair value right now and the potential and everything like that. There's another one, check. I'll bring that up. See, that's sort of more what I like to see. Or maybe just a bounce and then that. That's a little... The thing with the BNGOs that they like to dilute, so you wait for the next dilution and then you go from there with that. That's how I'm going to probably play that. And then CCIV, another EV. Man, that's painful. I slept on that a little bit and I forgot. It's in chats I'm in. So there must have been some good news on that. Because they hadn't quite found the merger company, but there was a lot of chatter about it. Business deals. Now NGA was my better one. I got in 11.20 on this. 300 shares. So it's cooled off. It's not really. I still hold 97 shares. So I got out 203 shares. So we'll see. We'll see with this one. It's a nice healthy pullback. The announcement that really triggered all this was 2,500 Amazon delivery trucks. They have a contract to deliver Amazon delivery trucks, I believe. So there's that. There's a few more as well, but I'll just leave it there for now. And I think I'm just going to keep the stock stuff to the stock stuff, and that's going to be it. Sorry about that, just a small technical issue, me accidentally pressing the pause button. So, yeah, BNGO. This might not even be applicable to a lot of people who watch this, but, there's nothing wrong with trading the US markets. You just have to understand that, it's very hot, and it's just, people saying that about Tesla, and it just keeps going. So, why fight it? Why do that? Just participate. That's my opinion on it. But we'll see. We'll see. I definitely keep my finger on the pulse in regards to. It's going to be Joe Biden policy. Is going to be what I'm going to be listening out for, just to see what he wants to do with corporate tax and things like that. And is he a socialist? He's got some bad traits in regards to corruption as well. So, but Donald Trump did as well. But Donald Trump was very business focused. So we'll just see. We'll see how it all plays out. Everyone's talking crash now, crash now, crash now. So it just keeps going. So you just watch the price action. All right, stop to tight. Well, not super tight, but it's up to you where you want. But BNGO, I'll wait for another dilution. Just keep going. It's still a lot of unknowns with this one, with FDA approvals and things like that, but I'll keep watching. CCIV, that's cool. We dropped the well on that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and bye.